Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we'll discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting your lab, simply open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then click on this I agree and continue. Now activate your Cloud Shell from here. Then click on this continue. Then authorize. Okay. So once your Cloud Shell is activated, now come back to lab instruction page. Click on this task number 1. Copy this first code, paste it here, and hit enter. Then copy this second code, paste it here and hit enter. Now click on this open editor and wait for some time. Once you get this type of interface, then simply click on this drop down arrow of GCF Hello World. Okay, so now click on this new files, and for the file name, come back to lab instruction page, copy this name index.js. Click on this new file, paste it here, index.js. Then simply hit enter. Then again come back to lab instruction page, copy this code from point number 4 of task number 1 and paste it here. Okay, now again click on this new file and again come back to lab instruction page, copy this name package.json and click on this new file, paste it here and hit enter. Now again come back to lab instruction page, copy this code, paste it here. Now wait. Now click on these files and then save. Okay. After this, click on this open terminal and again come back to lab instruction page. Copy this code. You will get in point number 9. Copy this code, paste it here and hit enter. Just wait for some time. Okay. Once this code get executed, come back to lab instruction page. So we are done with task number 1. Now for task number 2, copy this code, paste it here in Cloud Shell and hit enter. Then just wait for some time. And if this asks why you're in, then simply press N and hit enter. Then we have to wait for some time. Okay, so this process will take some time. So simply wait. And once you get this type of interface, this means this code is executed. Simply come back to lab instruction page. Copy this code from copy this code from the point number 2 of task number 2 and paste it here in Cloud Shell and hit enter. Okay, after this code get executed, come back to lab instruction page and you can simply click on check my progress. For task number 2, you will get the green tick. So once you get the green tick, it means we have completed with this lab. You can simply end the lab, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this tutorial video, then simply hit the like and subscribe button.